Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be installing this beautiful wig from West Kiss Hair in the shade Burnt Orange. You guys know I have never really done color on my channel before, so I'm super excited to try this. I did just want to kind of give you guys a view of it before I actually put the makeup on. It is a full frontal, and you know, the knots, I did have to bleach them, and then I added like a little bit of color to it as well, just because, you know, with it being that bright, it just, me and my skin tone just didn't work. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. I've already put my little ball cap on. As you guys know, I don't really do the ball cap method. I just kind of throw a ball cap on and go from there. Okay, I'm gonna take some of my foundation. This is NARS in the shade Zambia, and I'm going to apply that to the inside of the lace. Hopefully you guys can see, but I'm just gonna get it all up in there, and I'm just applying it right here to the inside. Okay, so for this install, I'm going to go in with my Ebin or Even, however you say it. So we're just going to apply this. And I like to use my finger just to kind of, you know, rub it back and forth or whatever. I don't know if that's even. I don't know, child. The middle of my head is so difficult to find. Hold on. I'll just take this just to make sure I lay it down correctly. Yeah. I think that's good. Okay. And this is the same technique as I did before in my other videos, just making sure that the glue in the hair is basically like just one, you know. Because I got bad eyes and I can't see, prior to me moving on to the other side, I'm gonna just cut this because I can't see. Lord, I thought these scissors were sharp, but it's not. This is hair dye on my comb, so don't judge me. You want to make sure that the Ebin is like tacky. Y'all see how it's like tacky on there? That's how you want to make sure. Once it gets like that, then you're ready to lay down your lace. And I just try to measure it up with the edge of the hairline. I don't know if that makes sense. So like where the actual hairline is on the wig, that's where I try to lay it with the lace. Hopefully that makes sense. And I'm just combing it back and forth just to make sure it lays, and then I'm gonna go in and blow dry it. Guys were here from the last video, you guys know I like to personally leave this sitting overnight, but just so I can cut my ear tabs, I'm gonna put the band on and then just kind of let it sit for like 10 minutes, and then I'll come back and we'll cut the ear tabs together. Okay, I let it sit for a little bit. Now we're just gonna take it off. Ooh, 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 ooh. And then we're gonna cut it. We're gonna cut the ear tabs first. Then we're gonna go in and start cutting the. Oh my goodness, the comb got stuck. We're gonna go in and start cutting the remaining, lace off of it. So to cut my ear tabs, I normally try to like fill them out with the comb, like the top of them, and I do it at an angle. So, and then I like slice or, take down the hair that's here. Like the comb is already separating the hair. I just separate it like a little bit further. I don't know how to explain this, y'all. But the hair that's beneath, look, that hair right there, just in that part, that's what we're gonna cut, because I don't need it. Child, I probably should have got more than one clamp to do this. Okay. I'm gonna separate my hair real good. Okay. Take some scissors. These probably are not the best scissors. Ow, I screwed my face. Oh, Jesus. It's probably not the best scissors because I bought some other ones, but they ain't sharp. As y'all could see, when I was trying to cut the lace before, they weren't sharp. Okay. And then this extra lace behind here, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut that off. Okay. Oh, did I cut some extra hair? I did. Oops. It'll be alright. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. It's towards the back. Okay. So then now that should lay behind your ear perfectly, right? It's good to go. And then we're gonna do the other side. Okay, so now it's time to cut the lace, the excess lace. Oh my goodness, that's on here. And I'm gonna try to. I know I don't try to get off in here real good. I like to cut as close as I can to the hair, like like this portion over here. I would try to cut as close as I can up there. Child, I just realized that the sound has probably been off this entire time. I don't know when it went off. I thought it would just stay on, but it has not. My microphone cut, but okay. So I'm gonna show y'all. Oh, taking this off now. Slowly, slowly, slowly. And as you guys can see, that lace is melted over here. I'm gonna do it one more time because it's melted over there. But yeah, that's how I actually do it. As y'all can see over here, like all of that. Yeah. It's giving scalp, baby. So I'm gonna hit it one more time. If I can find that brush I was just using. There we go. I'm gonna hit it just one more time on this side over here because that side didn't really adhere too well. And just go in there and bam, look at that, lace be gone. And then of course in the morning I go in and clean all of that up. But this is the hair. I'm gonna style it in the morning as well. Just gotta let it sit. Okay, so this is what we have thus far. I cut layers into it. You guys know that. You've seen me do it. I'm actually going to, like, the top of my hair is greasy right now because I have wax on it, and I'm going to use a hot comb to just, you know, put it all in place, and then I will come back and show you guys the finished look. Okay, guys, so here is the finished look of the hair. Just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. I absolutely love it. Again, it is in the shade Burnt Orange. Toned it down just a smidget just to make sure that it would go with my skin tone because I am a little bit on the darker side. But yeah, this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. You like it. If you do, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.